Have you ever wished for your own personal assistant? Someone to answer your questions, tell you jokes, or even write you a poem? Thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, this is no longer a fantasy. AI chatbots are changing the world right before our eyes. They can be found everywhere, from customer service lines to your best friend's phone. The best part? You don't need to be a coding wizard to create one. With just a few simple steps, you can build your own AI chatbot in just 5 minutes. These aren't the clunky chatbots of the past. We're talking about sophisticated AI that can understand and respond to you in a natural way. Imagine having a chatbot that can remind you of appointments, provide instant answers to your queries, or even compose a song dedicated to your pet goldfish. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to join the revolution? Before we embark on our chatbot building adventure, we need the right tools. Don't worry, it's as easy as ordering a pizza online, and much more rewarding. We'll be using a powerful yet user-friendly AI library called OpenAI. First, head over to the OpenAI website using your favorite web browser. Think of a web browser as a magical portal that lets you explore the vast expanse of the internet. Once you're on the OpenAI website, look for a button that says, Sign Up or Create Account. Click on it and you'll be guided through a series of simple steps to create your very own OpenAI account. Next, you'll need to install the OpenAI library onto your computer. This is like giving your computer a special set of instructions that will allow it to understand and work with the AI magic we'll be creating. The OpenAI website provides clear and easy-to-follow instructions for installation, regardless of whether you're using a Windows PC, a Mac, or a Linux machine. Once you've completed these 2 simple steps, you'll be all set to dive into the exciting world of chatbot creation. Now comes the fun part, breathing life into your very own chatbot. Don't let the word coding intimidate you. We're going to use simple, intuitive commands to teach our chatbot how to converse. We'll start by creating a new file on our computer. You can think of a file as a digital container where we'll store the instructions for our chatbot. Give this file a name that reflects its purpose. For instance, My Amazing Chatbot. Now open this file using a text editor, a program that allows you to write and edit plain text. Inside this file, we'll begin by importing the OpenAI library we installed earlier. This is like inviting a special guest to our coding party. Next, we'll write a few lines of code to define the personality and communication style of our chatbot. Do you want it to be formal and informative or playful and humorous? The choice is yours. We'll then define how our chatbot should respond to different prompts or questions. We can use simple if-else statements to achieve this. For example, if the user types hello, we can instruct our chatbot to respond with, Hi there, how can I assist you today? Section 4. Meet your new AI friend. Fun and interaction. Congratulations, you've just built your own AI chatbot, but the real magic begins when we see it in action. Let's have some fun and see what our creation can do. In your text editor, add a line of code to run your chatbot program. Once you run the program, you'll be greeted by your chatbot, eager to engage in conversation. Type in a greeting, ask it a question, or even crack a joke. See how it responds? Your chatbot is learning and adapting with every interaction. The more you chat with it, the more personalized and sophisticated its responses become. You can even teach it new tricks by adding more code and expanding its knowledge base. Section 5. The future of chatbots. Limitless potential. The chatbot you've built today is just the tip of the iceberg. With AI advancing at an unprecedented pace, the possibilities for chatbot development are limitless. Imagine chatbots that can write full-fledged novels, compose symphonies, or even assist in complex scientific research. As you continue your chatbot building journey, I encourage you to think big. What other features can you add to your chatbot? What name will you give it? Perhaps you can even share it with your friends and family, allowing them to experience the magic of AI firsthand. Remember, the future of AI is in our hands. Let's build it together.